Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the art and practice of mindfulness. Whether you're new to mindfulness or looking to deepen your understanding, this time is for you. Let's take a moment to pause, breathe, and connect with the present. Mindfulness is a simple yet profound practice. At its core, mindfulness is about being fully present in the moment, aware of where we are, what we're doing, and how we're feeling without judgment. It's about tuning in to the here and now, rather than getting lost in worries about the past or anxieties about the future. Mindfulness is the practice of bringing one's attention to the present moment with curiosity and openness. You might be wondering, why mindfulness? Research shows that practicing mindfulness can improve focus, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. It's a skill that helps us navigate life's challenges with greater ease and clarity. Mindfulness can take many forms. It's not just about sitting quietly and meditating, although that's a wonderful practice. It can be as simple as paying attention to your breath, savoring a meal, or noticing the colors of the sky. Let's try a quick mindfulness exercise together. You don't need anything special, just yourself and a few minutes. Begin by sitting comfortably, with your back straight but not rigid. Rest your hands in your lap or on your knees. Close your eyes if you're comfortable, or simply lower your gaze. Let's take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Pause again, in through your nose and out through your mouth. Now, allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. As you breathe, notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Feel your chest rise and fall. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Gently bring your attention back to your breath. When you're ready, slowly bring your attention back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and open your eyes if they were closed. How did that feel? Even a brief practice like this can create a sense of calm and clarity. And the best part? You can do this anytime, anywhere. Mindfulness doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. It's about creating small moments of awareness in your day. Maybe it's a mindful walk, a few minutes of deep breathing, or simply noticing the taste of your morning coffee. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, mindfulness is a practice. It's okay to start small and build gradually. Each mindful moment is a step towards greater peace and presence. If you found this helpful, I encourage you to explore more mindfulness practices and make them a part of your daily life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mindful moments.